Good morning. So, good morning. Today I try to cut grass. That is what I'm gonna try to do. That is why I wrapped up like this. It's kind of sunny, so let's see. Trying to use a tool I have never used before, and let's see if I manage. Probably not, but so this is the monstrosity I have to work with. Well, for many people it's a normal trimmer, but for me, since I have never done this, or I can't remember, I've probably tried it once, but it was already on. But what I have to do is fill up the petrol or gas with oil. Because it's a two-stroke engine, and try to make it work. Well, let's see. Well, I found the oil, I found the gas here, oil. Now I just need to mix it properly, and reading online I need 25 milliliters of this oil mixed with 1 liter of regular gas or petrol. Question is, how do I measure it precisely? That is what I have to figure out. Oh, well, need to look around. I'm gonna mix it in here before I put it in here, and then hopefully it starts up. Wow! Look at this! Okay, I managed it. Well, as you can see, for some miraculous reason I managed to start this thing. Actually, I used a syringe to measure the exact proportions, and I set myself up with some protection and tried to cut some grass. Now let's see if I manage. That's the second thing. But yeah, so far so good. Well, this concludes the day of cutting grass. It was not such a fun experience. I had to stop the machine. Oh, the machine stopped probably a dozen times. Something is wrong. Me, probably. Yes, so this is supposed to self-feed the thing coming out here. I have to stop it and take it apart every 3-4 minutes. So the experience is not so much fun. I didn't manage to cut a lot. Maybe I had like 4 or 5 minutes where it worked okay, but the rest of it didn't really. Well, it always had a problem. So I managed to cut here a bit. But I didn't really finish a lot. So yeah, now the sun is just too strong to keep going, and with the entire protection gear it's even worse. It gets really hot. Yeah, So it was an experience. I still need to exercise on this one, right? For some of you it might sound really funny, but this is how it is the first time. Yeah, next time what? I don't know if there are better machines which actually can just use and work with it without interruption, but at least for this one, I think at least, I don't know, a dozen times it stopped. So okay, at least I figured out how to turn it on. It took me like 20 minutes to do it. Okay, so let's clean the machine and put it apart again. Okay, till next time. Oh well. I am quite disappointed about myself. Not managing this. So if this is the experience of cutting with this trimmer, then I guess I have to let the professionals do it. Or at least show me, because it was not working as I expected to. Well, like at least like 10-20 minutes to be able to cut in one go. It didn't work with me, not at all. So I turned it into opening up the machine, closing it up. At some point, or 3-4 times, the thing that rotates completely stopped rotating. Yeah, it was not the best. Well, hopefully I manage it next time.